Hey everyone, welcome back to Freestyle American English. I'm Eric, an ESL teacher, sharing my YouTube journey and helping you learn English step by step. This is week 7. And to be honest, nothing big happened this week. No viral videos, no sudden boost in views, just steady progress. But you know what? That's still a win. When I started 6 weeks ago, it took 3 weeks to get my first 100 subscribers. 2 weeks later, I hit 200. Now this week, another 50 joined the journey. That might not sound huge, but it means something important. Growth is happening, even when it's quiet. And honestly, that's how most good things work. Whether it's learning English or building something new, progress usually doesn't happen overnight. As a teacher, I see this every day. Students want to speak English fluently right away, but it takes time, repetition, and patience. You can't rush fluency, just like you can't rush YouTube growth. Both take showing up consistently, even when the results feel small. That's the real lesson this week. Progress isn't always exciting, but it's always powerful. So yeah, no crazy surprises this week, just steady steps forward. And if you are learning English right now, that's your reminder. Don't chase perfection. Just focus on progress. And if you've enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment on what kind of English lessons help you the most, because we're all learning step by step together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in week 8. Be there or be square.